Landing your dream job in artificial intelligence requires a strategic approach. Let's explore the essential steps to position yourself for success in this dynamic field. Begin by understanding the artificial intelligence landscape. Familiarize yourself with key concepts, technologies, and applications. This foundational knowledge will help you identify where your interests align with industry needs. Next, acquire the necessary skills. Proficiency in programming languages like Python, understanding machine learning algorithms, and data analysis are crucial. Online courses and certifications can provide structured learning paths. Consider specializing in a subfield. Whether it's natural language processing, computer vision, or robotics, focusing on a niche can set you apart. Specialization demonstrates depth of knowledge and commitment. Stay updated with industry trends. Follow AI research publications, attend conferences, and join professional networks. This keeps you informed about the latest advancements and opportunities in artificial intelligence. Prepare thoroughly for AI interviews. Practice coding challenges, review common AI problems, and be ready to discuss your projects. Demonstrating problem-solving skills is key to impressing potential employers. Finally, showcase your soft skills. Communication, teamwork, and adaptability are highly valued in AI roles. Highlight these abilities in your resume and during interviews to complement your technical expertise.